quarter. Subol versus Karusukan Sur. Coach ito ko ano. Coach.
Valdez with the ball. Castillo. Kirsten Bray. Hassan again. Pass to jersey number 13, De La Vega. Castillo.
Di ba ito? Kalaban na sa di ko ah.
Valdez. 14 seconds to shoot. 10. Pull up. 2 points.
Angelas, nga I'm Subol. Bantog kalaban na.
Andi ta aji murder di ba? Jardi tayo.
Ay.
Oh, yung kalikuan.
Ni, agay.
15 to shoot.
Mapakagto mo rin yan. Sama na bang
Fallen jersey number 5.
Bigyan nyo na naman ako ng highlights ah.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Ipupus ko na naman. Hindi kasi nagamin din rabi. Ipus mo.
First throw basket.
Wow, nasolo mo na yung food. Picnic yan.
Last throw basket. Official score 2-all. Valdez with the ball. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 5, Negade. Two points.
Sarap yan.
First try, Negade. 10 to shoot, 2 points.
Limlimada mo dahil Karusukan.
Negade. Tapro with the ball. Black. De La Vega. Pass to Bautista. 8 minutes. De La Vega. Jersey number 8. 15 to shoot. Vergara fires the train. Negade. Jersey number 10. Wala pa rin. 10 pa rin. Wala pa rin. Karusukan ball. Valdez with the ball. Pass to jersey number 17. 15 seconds to shoot. Black, same ball. 11 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Pull up jumper, Negade. Fabro, Negade. Jersey number 1, 10 to shoot. Valdez. Jersey number 17, 5 to shoot. Negade.
Uy.
May foul basket. Foul in jersey number 1, Bautista. First personal foul, first team foul. Basket. 7-4. 7 minutes.
7-4.
De La Vega. Pass to Vergara, 2 points.
7-6 lamang ang Karusukan. Ng isa.
18 to shoot. Out of bounds. Sa ball. Basketball. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 18 to shoot. 2 points. Official score 8-7 sa ang Kalamangan ng Subong. Pull up, 2 points. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Bilabaga, pass to Vergara, pull up jumper, negate. Valdez, may diretso, 2 points. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Jose with the ball. Jose. Pass to Bautista, negate. Labang by Vergara.
Oops!
Basket. Foul in jersey number
May tubig dito.
16.
Nagtabang. May players lang.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Ay, sa bali. Sa bali.
Bonus shot, basket. Deadlock, 11 all.
Hindi ako mag-announce ng score kasi clear na
Jersey
clear
number
na.
1, Gawin diretso.
Yung doses ko.
Fabra, negate.
May tubig mag-
Labang by Bautista.
Hindi ko.
Bautista. Gawin diretso. Pass to De La Vega. Pass to Vergara. Bautista, 2 points. Last 5 minutes and 20 seconds. 17 with the ball. Fabra, pass to jersey number 1. Jersey number 5, pull up, negate. Bautista. Pass to Jose. Last 5 minutes. Vergara, 2 points. 15-11, apat ang Kalamangan ng Sabol. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Fabro, pull up for 2, negate. Bomba jersey number 1. 12 to shoot. Fabro, 2 points. Pinabagal, layup, 2 points. 17-13. Valdez with the ball. Valdez dribbling the ball.
Tungan daw the jacket.
Pass to jersey number 1. Pull up for 2. 2 points. 15-17.
Jacket ka, may jacket
4
ka.
minutes and 10 seconds.
So, may jacket.
15 to shoot. Vergara, 2 points. 19-15. Pass to jersey number 1 again. Negate. 1 pa rin. Layup. May foul. Basket.
Baka pa dyan.
Foul in jersey number 1.
Hindi naman eh. Yun o, katabi
Second
mo.
personal foul.
Katabi mo.
Second team
So,
foul. Bonus shot. Jumpers ready. Negate. Vergara with the ball. Pass to De La Vega. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 18 to shoot. Vergara fires a 3. 3 points. 22-17. Valdez with the ball. Valdez. Pass to Fabro. Nasa loob. Bautista with the ball. Bautista. Dumidiracho. Pass to De La Vega. 2 points. 24-17. Last 3 minutes.
Lima lang ready ko. Karasukan sir.
We found jersey number
Ate ko ata. Service.
13.
ano na motor? Parating pa lang.
First personal foul, 13 foul. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Pass to jersey number 1, dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot.
Bang.
First, 2 points. De La Vega with the ball. Back to De La Vega.
Ni.
2 points. 26-19. Pito ang Kalamangan ng Sabol. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Pass to Fabro. Fabro with the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Valdez fires a tray. Negative. Here comes Vergara. Layup. 2 points. Last 2 minutes. Fabro dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 1. Fake. Attacking. Layup. Negative. Sababay Jose. Binababa ang bola.
2 minutes sa first
Jose.
quarter.
Behind the scene pass. De La Vega, 2 points.
Damat last.
1 minute and 40 seconds. Jersey number 1. Layup. Negative. 1 minute and 30 seconds. De La Vega with the ball. Jose. Fires a tray. Negative. Valdez. Pull up. Costa, 2 points. 1 minute and 10 seconds. De La Vega dribbling the ball. 18 seconds to shoot. De La Vega. Pass to Bautista. Reverse, 2 points. Last 55 seconds. Valdez dribbling the ball. 18 to shoot. Pass to Fabro. Jersey number 1, Acosta. Reverse, negate. Last 40 seconds. De La Vega. Dumidiracho. Steal. De Valdez. Valdez. Pass to Acosta. Fabro, 2 points. Last 28 seconds. Steal again.
Ano pa na ba yun?
Acosta.
Uniform ko ba? Para sa one gun
Pass to Valdez. Layup, 2 points.
Kailangan.
Last 15 seconds.
Ganda ba? Parang hindi naman.
Patada.
12. De La Vega, 2 points.
Ginaglaban.
Pero mas dark sa kanila yan. Ay, mas...
Last 5 seconds.
Sige.
2 seconds.
Parehas.
And the first quarter official score 27-34 in favor of Sabong.
27-34 lamang ang subol. End of first quarter.